In this video, we will be discussing the syllabus of environmental science for the second years, okay? And so EVS counts for the Delhi University students as an AEC paper, Ability Enhancement course, okay? So for the second years, it is theory into practice. In the first year, we studied the introduction for EVS, okay? So as a continuation, we will be starting from fifth unit. In the first year, you had 4 units. In the second year, you will be having 3 units, unit 5, 6 and 7. So in detail on the syllabus of unit 5, global environmental issues and policies. Here he will study the causes of climate change, global warming, ozone layer depletion, acid rain, impacts on human communities, biodiversity, global economy and agriculture. Then international agreements, programs like Earth Summit, UNFCCC, Montreal and Kyoto Protocols, Convention on Biological Diversity, Ramsar Convention, the Wetland Convention. So majority of these have been covered in the last paper itself. That is, in first year itself, we have covered majority of these topics. The Chemical Weapons Convention is new. Then UNEP, SITES, etc. So all these will be covered in this this paper. Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Then environment legislation in India, like Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Water Act, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, Forest Conservation Act 1980, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, Environment Protection Act 1986, Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Act, Recognition of Forest Rights 2006. Okay, and the suggested readings are as this, but I have prepared a PDF and I'll be taking that for the classes. Okay, so you may not go with all these books because I'm already taking these classes. Covering the syllabus in video classes. Okay, next is unit 6. Here it is biodiversity and conservation. The unit 6 revolves around this particular concept. Here you will go with the definition of biodiversity, levels of biological diversity like genetic, species and ecosystem diversity. India as a mega biodiversity nation, biogeographic zones of India, biodiversity hotspots, endemic and endangered species of India, IUCN and red list criteria and categories. Then value of biodiversity like ecological, economic, social, ethical, aesthetic and informational values of biodiversity with examples. Sacred groves and their importance with examples. Then threats to biodiversity like habitat loss, degradation, fragmentation, poaching of wildlife, man-wildlife conflicts, biological invasion with emphasis on Indian biodiversity, current mass extinction crisis. Then you will go with the strategies for the conservation of biodiversity like in situ and ex situ methods, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, keystone, flagship umbrella and indicator species, then species reintroduction and translocation. Then we will also go through the case studies on contemporary Indian wildlife and biodiversity issues, movements and projects like Project Tiger, Project Elephant, Vulture Breeding Program, Project Great Indian Bustard, Crocodile Conservation Project, Silent Valley Movement, Save Western Ghats Movement, etc. Here also some readings are given as suggestions, but as I said before, I will be going with the PDF that is already with me. Okay, because there is a trend that majority of you guys won't be focusing on AEC, BAC, SEC papers and much because they are just for little marks and you just give them little significance. So you can just go through my video so you will save much time. Okay, and some practical exercises are also given. Your teachers will go with this. Okay, then unit 7, human communities and the environment. So here you will study human population growth, that impacts on environment, human health and welfare, carbon footprint, Then resettlement and rehabilitation of developmental projects affected person and communities. Relevant case studies on that. So Epic of Movement, Silent Valley, Silent Valley Movement, Chipko Movement, Bishnois of Rajasthan, Narmada Bachao Andolan, Meda Patkar's story, right? So already you have studied all this, but we will be recollecting them again for this particular paper and exam. Then you will be studying environmental justice, National Green Tribunal and its importance, environmental philosophy, environmental ethics, roles of various religions and cultural practices in environmental conservation. Then environmental communication, public awareness, case studies like CNG vehicles in Delhi, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, National Environment Awareness Campaign, National Green Corps Eco Club Program, etc. Again, some readings are suggested, but as I said, I'm not repeating it again, but yep, you can watch my videos, okay. I'll be posting videos for these 3 units. Most probably I'll take 2 videos for 1 unit to cover. So that's it. So we can see in the next class, and hope you like that. Okay, so let me know in the comment section which all topics I should cover, subjects that I should cover other than this. Bye.